As some of you know, in the last video, I talked about having to choose a material and method of making a new paddle because the 3D printed PLA version kept breaking in the exact same spot. Did the gamble pay off? Let's find out in today's episode of Inventor's Dojo. Hi, welcome to Inventor's Dojo. My name is Henry and I'm an inventor working on making and selling my invention. My invention is the easiest tool to use when your car is stuck in sand, mud, ice, or snow. If today's your first time joining us, welcome and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing so you can get updates on what's going on with my invention. Also, please hit the like button. One simple click from you means the world to me and the channel. Now let's get into this video. In the last video, we talked about the bottom part of my device that kept breaking and I did not know if it was a matter of design or a matter of material. Redesigning this part, which I call the paddle, was an option, but that option had too many variables and I figured I would at least try to rule out the material as the source of the problem before I dove into that rabbit hole. So I opted to use a 3D printing alloy because based on my research, it was the most efficient option versus carbon fiber, and let's be honest, it was cheaper. And I'm on a budget, like couch cushion quarters type of budget, you know what I mean? Fortunately, there is something that is free and helps out a lot. And that is for you to help out the channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. It really does help a lot, so yeah, help me out. Once it was printed, it was time to get to test, so I gathered the troops, and this is what happened. As you can imagine, I was optimistic, but if history was an indication, I had to be mentally prepared for another failure. But let's remember that nothing great in life is built without failure as the foundation. The moment I saw that it did not break had to be one of the most gratifying moments in this process. As you can see in the video, I ran towards the car and it was just a great day. And it was time for the next step. The only problem was I really didn't know what the next step was or what it consisted of. So, with a small victory in my back pocket and inspiration to keep going, it was time to figure out what to do next. Please subscribe so you can see what happened next in this crazy little journey. I am so glad that you joined us today and thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to share this video with someone who you think might enjoy it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Stopping video. Oh, this is not recording. Ah, you mother. And this is gonna suck if I have to redo this whole